Just take it easy. You're gonna lose your stuff.
Is that, hold on. Are they trying to throw each other off? Hey, it's fam. Hey, if it's friends and family, mind your business though. Let them be, man. Let them be. Hey, shout out to Kai for sharing that loud. Thank you. Really appreciate it. They really good. Hey, this is funny for you.
Hey! Get off of it! Hey, get off of her now!
Don't try to say nothing now, fool.
Hey!
He was watching it. He was enjoying it though.
You're ruining this!
You're ruining it!
Why does he have on a World War II though?
They got a long ways to go. Hey, you're about to fall out. Are you the instructor?
That's a baseball helmet. Why, son, why is y'all talking? Stop. I'm getting aggravated. I'm getting aggravated. Can't deal with your what? What'd she say? What'd she say? Hold on.
This is scary
Watch
water
out.
out here.
You all under my feet.
got more problems to
Don't
worry
get ran
about
over.
than fighting.
There we go.
That's crazy.
Way more clear.
Holy cow.
I'm mad I had to walk away from my video.